Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 35 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. The A part of question 35. In a class test, the sum of Anamika's marks obtained in maths and science is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in science, the product of the numbers would have been 210. Find the marks she got in the two subjects. Let's assign variable to the marks. X be equal to the math marks and Y be science marks. According to the first line, the sum of Anamika's marks obtained in math and science is 30. For that, we get the equation x plus y equal to 30. So let this be equation 1. The next sentence says, had she got 2 marks more in math, that is x plus 2, and 3 marks less in science, that is y minus 3. The product of the marks would have been 210. That is x plus 2 times y minus 3 is equal to 210. From the first equation, let's take y in terms of x. Y is 30 minus x. X plus 2 times, in the place of y, let's put 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 210. X plus 2 times 27 minus x equal to 210. After expanding and simplifying, we get x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which represents the given situation. Now we have to solve for x. Plus 156 is a constant term. For that, I take the two factors as minus 13 and minus 12. The sum of these two gives the middle term coefficient. Rewriting the given equation, x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 equal to 0. After factorizing, we get x minus 13 times x minus 12 equal to 0. So the two values of x are 13 and 12. For x equal to 13, we get y as 30 minus 13, which is 17. And for x equal to 12, we get y as 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18. The possible sets of marks are 13, 17 and 12, 18. The B part of the question. The length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 centimeter more than twice the length of its shortest side. If the length of its third side is 6 centimeter less than thrice the length of its shortest side, find the dimensions of the triangle. The given triangle is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse and the third side are dependent on the shortest side. So now let's assume the length of the shortest side as x. The question says the hypotenuse is 6 centimeter more than twice the length of its shortest side, and the third side is 6 centimeter less than thrice the length of its shortest side. Now that we have all the three sides, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to shortest side square plus the third side square, that is 2x plus 6 square equal to x square plus 3x minus 6 square. On expanding the LHS and RHS, we get 4x square plus 36 plus 24x is equal to x square plus 9x square plus 36 minus 36x. On further simplifying, we get minus 6x square plus 60x equal to 0. Dividing this equation by minus 6, we get x square minus 10x equal to 0. That is x into x minus 10 is equal to 0. The two values of x are x equal to 10 and x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is ignored as length cannot be 0. Therefore, Length of the shortest side is 10 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 2 times 10 plus 6, which is 26 centimeter. And the third side is 3x minus 6, that is 3 times 10 minus 6, which is 24 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.